restart was a pretty exciting one.
Let's do it.
What's it going to be on this one? Larson inside, Justin Allgaier outside. Pace car pulls off, leaders come toward the restart zone. And we get ready to go with 27 laps.
Roll the top, roll the top, roll the top. Roll the top. Roll the top. Roll the top. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Justin. Roll the top. Yeah.
Not done yet, Larson.
No, why didn't he block?
Can't quite shut the door. Larson has to shut the door on Laker. Here comes Jones to the outside.
Jones takes third.
Allgaier, 3-4 car lengths. Larson, Jones, Silich. And Mayer is going all the way back to 5th in that shuffle in the first couple laps. Talked about the big teams and the big stars getting it done on the toughest track around. Well, the only two Indy winners in the league